Templars, Monterola, tumikada ng tres, punches it through. Narval, goes to Adona. Adona will take again a 3-point shot. Finally, si Adona nagmamadali. Ang mga taga-Samar, Monterola going to his left. Here's the pass, wide open shot, it's good. Samantala, may tira na naman mula sa 3-point shot. Ayun! Moloboko, bahagyang natapalan. Pero andun yung kakampi. Number 7, itong si Felices para sa follow-up. He was bothered by the defense. Pero andun, number 7, makukuha ang loose ball. Naka-score pero nag-iisa dito si Felices. Isinubo na lamang ang bola. NWSSU ang atake. Felices. The hook shot is good. Nagpipilit makawala. Titikada na naman ng tres. Nagpa-fast break ngayon. Monterola. He scores on the drive. Manatad. Casiliano, offensive rebound. Garcia naman ang susubok. Ayun! Gagante ang NWSSU. Sablay. Felices working hard under the basket. And he was rewarded with a 2-point. No sir. Makakaagaw si Garcia ng Templars. Adona from the outside. Yes sir! Adona lead by the Lions. 30-26. Monterola. Yun. Banasta nagmamadali. Haharangan ni Felices. Tapal na tapal doon. Ano nangyari? Pilit inaagawan ni Adona. Lumabas muna si Moloboko. Felices, libre sa kanyang baseline jumper na yon. Swings it back to Garcia. Garcia, ang galing ng pasa. Pabalik doon. Ay, Almazan. Wow. Again, another 3-point basket. But Felices will answer right back at the other end. At makukuha pa ang foul ni number 11. It's unsuccessful. Tapitan, inside pass. Ang galing ng pasa. Yan ang nangyayari. Anyway, balik po tayo sa ating laro. Monterola. Wow! Monterola for the Lions. Mag-i-inbound. Wow, nakalusot. Ang ganda ng pasa ni Adona. Walang tumao doon kay Narval. Pero nakapasok yung pang-apat. Ayun, gumanti na naman sa kabila. Itong si Felices. Sabi kasi sa kanilang bahay, Opaya Pagmulay, number 7, Kevin Garcia. Diri ka naman huhugas ni Dihabalay. Wow, Adona. Balik kay Banasta. Overshoots. A follow-up. Yes, sir. Dulfo with that follow-up shot. Kaya baba sa 11 na naman ang kalamangan na ito. Number 10 will attack and he will score for the Lions. Can the Lions sustain this one? Adona, medium range shot. That's good. Offensive rebound, the Lions. Number 12, drop pass. The shot, it's good for the Lions, for Felices. Ragas will drive and will make it. Si Dulfo pala yun. Nakala ko si Ragas. 12 ang kanilang hinahabol. Banasta. Iniikot ang bola. Matatapikan. Monterola will lay it in for 2. Adona makakawala sa depensa. 5 seconds to go. Adona nagmamadali pa rin. Magle-lay up. Yes, sir! Talagang bilis-bilis doon. Asking for an isolation play. Makakawala si Moloboko. Ilalabas kay Monterola. Bumato ng tres. Swak na swak para kay Monterola. Adona. Dragas. Inside. Garcia. With that semi-hook shot. Felices will inbound. Wow, nakawala doon si Felices. Walang nakabantay sa kanya. Garcia will take it from downtown. Got it. Ibabato, magfa-fast break. Monterola has it outside to number 6, Felices with the layup ng NWSSU. Napilit yung tira. Papasok yan para kay Dulfo. Left-handed banking shot. Dulfo steal. Dulfo papakyawin. Left-handed shot. Dulfo. Oh, ang galing na ginawa doon ni Dulfo. And Dulfo will attack Garcia for the follow-up. Number 4 against Adona. From the outside. Swishing the net. Makukuha na naman ng Templars dito ang bola. Gumagawa sila ng mini rally. It's Adona. He will score. Fade away jumper. Walang tinamaan doon. Air ball. Menterola. Hinahabol ni Manatad and Menterola will score on that fast break layup.